Welcome to RealDigi Ads. In today's training, I'll show how to create campaigns by community or subdivision and put it on Google. This is the RealDigi Ads dashboard. I'm going to select New Campaign. And as you can see, we currently offer campaigns by city or subdivision and community, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to select New Campaign. Here you have the option. If you're busy, we could do it for you. Pretty simple. I'm going to select Self-Guided for this training. Now I'm going to name my campaign. This is just for your purposes. No one will see this. Here you're going to enter the city and make sure that you select the city and state from the drop-down list. Very important. I'm going to enter the name of the community that I'm advertising. By default, it selects English. You could change this if you speak another language. I highly recommend it. Give yourself that competitive advantage. By default, it starts at $20 a day. However, I'm going to change it for this campaign to $50 to start, and here's why. We add special code to a RealDigi site, and if you have your own lead capture website, we'll provide the code to you as well for your webmaster to add. This will activate machine learning and artificial intelligence for Google to improve campaign results. So in the very beginning of your campaign on Google, it's in a learning phase. And it's most important that Google gets enough data to activate AI and machine learning. You could always scale it back in the future as your campaign matures, although you may want to increase it if you're getting multiple conversions. By default, it's going to be every day. You could change this as well. I would recommend leaving this until you see a pattern on your conversions, and you can change your schedule at that point. Click Next. And as you can see, it automatically names my ad group for me. Here's the city and state and the name of my community. These are high converting keywords for real estate. Also recommend adding in your name and the name of your brokerage or your team. These are additional keywords that I don't recommend adding when you first launch a campaign, and here's why. Since this is pay per click, every click you will pay for. And if you start getting clicks from keywords that are not high converting, you'll go through your budget a lot faster. That's why we recommend starting with these high converting keywords. Click Next. Now this is the ad. I'm going to name it. This will be my landing page that I created for my ad. These are headlines. Descriptions, you can change these. We have a campaign glossary with ideas, headlines, and descriptions. Just understand, these are all very high converting headlines and descriptions. This is what your ad will look like right here, okay? Complete, but we're not done. Google offers ad extensions to make your ad stand out more and capture more clicks and increase your return on ad spend. Very important. It does not cost anything extra, so I highly recommend always doing this with every campaign. Click Create Extensions, and as you can see, these are call-out extensions. You can have up to 6. They're pre-filled. Again, you can change them. We have ideas for you right here. So this is what it looks like. My Google ad would normally end right here, but these are call-out extensions. Now, these are structured snippets, similar to call-out extensions. I could have 6. And again, I can change them. This is what my ad will look like. Now, these are my favorite. These are site link extensions. I recommend watching our video about site link extensions to understand. Essentially, with site link extensions, you can have multiple campaigns within one campaign. Let me show you. I'm adding a site link extension for Boca Raton gated communities. And this one will be for condos at Alina, which is downtown Boca Raton. And this one is Fieldbrook Estates, a very beautiful, luxurious gated community. And here's what it looks like. As you can see, your ad is much larger. If they click Boca Point, it's going to bring them to the landing page I created for Boca Point. If they click on gated communities, it's going to bring them to a different landing page that I created for gated communities. Same thing with Alena and Fieldbrook Estate Homes. Complete, and we are done. My campaign has just been sent over to Google to be reviewed to make sure I'm in compliance with their policies, and normally will be approved within 24 to 48 hours.